मिल गया. As you guys already know that I am on a hunt. I'm hunting. Hunting what? I'm hunting this skincare treatment. Eureka, eureka, eureka. Yes, I will be using needles on my face. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. आप सबका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है. I am going to make this video in Hindi and in English, combo of Hindi and English, because I have a lot of subscribers. They keep on asking me to make Hindi videos, and there are so many subscribers who are saying that, you know, if you are not going to make videos in English anymore, I have to unsubscribe you. So I do not want to lose any of my subscribers, any of my followers, any of my family members. So I will be making this video in Hindi and in English together. Let's get started. I'm looking out for options which is easily available for everybody in the entire world, and I want to look for something which is easily available and affordable at the same time to all the people in the entire world. Doesn't matter you live in Australia, Africa, USA, or India, Bangladesh, or in a small city somewhere. Doesn't matter, it should be available to you. So I am in a hunt because, you know, so many people, some of the treatments are not easily available to them, especially people who are living in a smaller villages, smaller town. So I am looking for something. As I told you guys, I was in a hunt and I found something really a great option which is superbly affordable, cheap, and also it shows results. In comparison to microneedling, in comparison to microdermabrasion, which is still a little expensive side, this particular treatment or tool, equipment I would say, will provide you similar results. The same kind of improvement you will be able to see by using this particular product. Let's get started and let me show you something what I'm talking about. I'm talking about this guy. This company reached out to me. They saw my various videos on my channel on skin treatments, DermaRollar. This is a completely different tool, but the effect and the results you will see equivalent, if not equivalent, but very close to what you will get getting done your microneedling session or microdermabrasion expert specialized sessions. This is something which is easy to use at home. I am going to show you how to use it. So we're gonna be diving into all the information and how to use it and all that good jazz in just a minute. But before that, I just want to show you the close look. This basically has total of 540 needles. So basically we will be poking our face with all of these needles which are here in this roller. This product is available in different sizes. So basically the sizes varies from 0.5 mm to 2.5 mm. You can upgrade the size or downgrade the size depending upon what kind of results you want to see. If you are a beginner and you are starting on with DermaRollar procedure, I would say start with the lowest setting, the lowest needle size, because that way you will be able to understand how it feels like, how it works, and then slowly and gradually you can increase to 2.5 mm. Company sent me the smallest version right now. I will be using this and I'm gonna show you the entire video, the demo, how to use it and stuff like that. But before that, let's get into the mechanism, how it works. When you roll this on your face, these hundreds of needles punctures the cells in your skin and the healing process starts. It stimulates and it increases the production of collagen in our skin, which is really helpful in cell division. That the defense mechanism can send the information to our brain that we have to produce more collagen in this particular area to get rid of all those marks and pigmentation that you have. And once you get rid of them, you will have a super smooth, glowy, beautiful skin. So that's what the mechanism is. Let me tell you in Hindi what I just said. So जब भी हम डर्मा रोलर को इस्तेमाल करने के लिए हम उसे रोल करते हैं, थोड़े से प्रेशर के साथ आप उसे रोल करेंगे, और जब आप उसे रोल करते हैं तो हम पंक्चर करते हैं अपने स्किन के सेल्स को. जब वो स्किन के सेल्स पंक्चर हो जाते हैं तो हमारी बॉडी का जो डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म है कि ब्रेन को हेल्प करता है टू प्रोड्यूस कोलाजन. जब कोलाजन प्रोड्यूस होता है तो सेल डिवीजन का प्रोसेस फास्टर हो जाता है, ज़्यादा तेज़ हो जाता है, जिसकी वजह से आपके पिगमेंटेशन ख़त्म हो जाते हैं और आपके मार्क्स बहुत ही हल्के हो जाते हैं। और जब मार्क्स हल्के हो जाते हैं, पिगमेंटेशन कम हो जाता है, तो हमारी स्किन बहुत ही ग्लोई और खूबसूरत दिखती है। एवरीथिंग इज involved in this procedure. I would say don't share this with your loved ones, your near and dear ones, your husband, your sister, your brother, your mother, your father. No, don't share this needle product with anybody. Every time you're using it, clean it, dip it in the alcohol or antiseptic water for 5 to 10 minutes and then use it. And after using it, again you clean it. It comes in a very nice plastic, storage box, free from germs, and it's going to keep the DermaRollar clean and you can use it for a longer period of time. So yes, that's it. Let's get into the demonstration of this product. So first I'm going to try this DermaRollar at the back of my palm to see how much pinching it will get and how much painful it is, so that I can get used to when I apply it on my face. You can use antiseptic water or sanitizer or alcohol to sanitize it and get it clean. So I'm gonna leave it for good 5 minutes. Now we are all set to use DermaRollar on our face. I am following this 3-step procedure. So in the first step, we will be following the facial techniques, wherein we will be having all the stroke on neck and forehead in the upward direction, and the middle of the face, like cheeks, has to go from inward towards the outward direction. So we start the stroke from the nose and we will take it up to the ears. So this is how we're gonna be doing for good 1 to 2 minutes, and once you're done, you start feeling some sensation, you can stop it and we'll follow up with the next step. So for this next step, we're going to be taking one section at a time and we're going to be rolling over up and down the DermaRollar on our facial skin. Just make sure that you are not changing the direction of the DermaRollar when you're using it and it is there on your skin. Otherwise, it's going to create a wound and bruises on your facial skin, which you don't want. So when you start rolling the DermaRollar on your facial skin in a certain section, keep on doing it in that particular section only. And when you're done with that section, you pick up the DermaRollar and again place it on the new section and start rolling it. So use it for good 5 minutes so that your skin can start getting swollen, and and after that we will follow up with the next step. You can use any serum of your choice. I'm using hyaluronic acid and vitamin C serum together on my face. As you can see, it's a little burning sensation because our facial skin is all bruised. Followed by a sunscreen lotion. Do not ever forget applying sunscreen when you are going out, and also apply a nice hydrating moisturizer. So that's all about it, and this is how my skin looks after this whole procedure. I mean, I did it yesterday. I see a good change. My application of my makeup was pretty good today. And remember, if you are already going through any kind of treatment already, then I would suggest you to wait for at least 3 weeks to at least 2 months. If it is a really aggressive treatment you are taking, like for example, if you're taking microneedling or any micro stamping, and there are like several other aggressive treatments available. So if you're taking any of those, then I would recommend you to wait for 2 months before you go ahead and start using the DermaRollar on your skin. But if in case you are taking anything like microdermabrasion or any such treatment like that, then I would say wait for at least 3 weeks to get your skin normal to the normal stage. Once your skin is at the normal stage, you can start using this DermaRollar. I think this is the cheapest option available at the moment. I have seen so many results when I googled this thing, or really good results. People showed their pictures before and after, and it was really fantastic to see all those results. And I am really happy and excited to share this tool with you guys. People who are not able to afford, or the professional services like microneedling, if that is not available to your country, in your city, then DermaRollar is the best and most appropriate replacement solution for you guys. The cost of this in United States is just $10. We might have to buy vitamin C serum. If not, you don't want to buy or you don't want to spend buying a vitamin C serum, then I would say use a natural aloe vera leaf. Use it with aloe vera gel. It's gonna do wonders for your skin. Another option you can have is hyaluronic acid serum, which have concentrated vitamin C. If you are in US, you want to buy this product, I'm going to leave all the links down below in the description bar. I hope you love this. If it does, don't forget to comment below and let me know that this is working out for you guys. I'll be superbly happy. Something I have on my channel is actually helping you out. Your comments and your likes are blessings for me, so don't forget to like this video, comment, share your opinion, what you think, and yeah, so I will be coming up next with another option for you guys. So yeah, stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if microneedling is not working out, then this definitely would work for you. Thank you so much once again. I'll see you in the next video. Until we meet next, it's me, Savvy, signing out. Saying bye and ciao.